Text-to-speech technology can be a wonderful tool in the K-12 classroom. It provides accessibility for students with disabilities like visual impairments or dyslexia. It also supports multisensory learning, combining sight and sound to enhance understanding. Plus, it's a helpful tool for English language learners, allowing them to hear correct pronunciation and intonation. Today, I'd like to show you two text-to-speech tools. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search the store for an extension called Read Aloud. Install, and that's it. Let's go to our sample text and simply highlight the part of the text that you would like to have read, right-click on it, and read aloud.
High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold.
There we have it. Now, if you're running Chrome OS, or if you've got a Chromebook, there's an even better option that's already integrated into the operating system. Let's go down to the system tray, go to Settings, search for Accessibility, select Text-to-Speech, and enable the Select-to-Speak. All right, and that's it. Down at the bottom in the shelf, we now have an icon for the Select-to-Speak. We click on this, and then we select the text we want to have read by dragging and dropping this pink box.
High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt.
And there you have it, two easy to implement text-to-speech tools. I hope this is helpful.